Morning skincare routine, skincare over 40. Hi, if this is your first time seeing me, my name is Gigi. I'm an over 40 beauty and fashion creator. Now let's do our morning skincare together. And today I do have some new products to try out from OneSkin, gifted but not sponsored. And as always, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna over exaggerate, and I'm gonna give the product a review, feels and smells and all that. The results, we're gonna have to take time and see. First, let's cleanse our skin using Cetaphil this morning. Toner, TIRTIR Milk Skin Light. Essence, Kiehl's Iris Extract Essence. Medicube Deep Vita C Daily Sheet Mask. I always leave this in the fridge, so this is nice and cool and it helps depuff me in the morning. Also really helps with inflammation. TIRTIR SOS Serum. Revive Brightening Serum. Now trying out the first OneSkin product, it's their eye cream. This is a peptide eye cream which focuses on anti-aging, allowing cell regeneration and also strengthen skin barrier. Scent free, and the texture is definitely on the creamy end. It's not too thick, not too sticky. One pump worked for both sides. Now we have their face cream. This is probably the one that you've seen on social media the most. This container is refillable and all you have to do is remove the packet and get a refill. I love it when brands are environmentally cautious and try to minimize waste. This is also a peptide cream which helps strengthen skin barrier and really focusing on that, and it really helps with hydration. It's good for sensitive skin as well. Lightweight but creamy. It's not greasy. It's being absorbed nicely. I like that little glow it's giving me. Finally, also the body cream. It comes with a little safety, which makes it easy to travel as well. The cream, scentless. It is not greasy and sticky. And I like that there's no scent for the fact that I have animals. My cats hate it when the scent is too strong. So this non-scented body cream might be a good option for me. That's it for the morning skincare routine. Thank you again, OneSkin, for sending me these products. I'm looking forward to using it more. If you're looking for a clean product that's vegan and cruelty-free, OneSkin is a good option to check into. Also, they're fragrance-free, so I know a lot of us are very sensitive to that. I'm so far liking the texture that it's giving me. Can't wait to use more of it to see how it improves my skin barrier.